Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are starting with a new lab of Dataflow Quick Start templates. So let's enable what this lab has for us in it. So this is the basic setup, which is the same for all the labs. So 1 minute for the viewers who are new to my channel on to this video. So guys, this channel is basically for documenting my coding journey and my life in an uncut way. So uncut doesn't mean that I will be sharing everything, but it does mean that I would be sharing my mistakes as well as my success uncut on this channel. So for next updates, do consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so that I keep uploading my videos, documenting and portraying myself. So without any further delay, let's begin with this lab. I'm doing the lab for the first time, so you will be finding some silly mistakes. You might consider me as noob as of now, but fine, let's just do it. So with the basic setup, we will just start our lab. Use subscription, provisioning, lab resources, estimated time is 1 minute. Let's just have a quick overlook like what this lab is about. We have to create a cloud BigQuery dataset and table using Cloud Shell. Okay. Then we have to create a storage bucket using the Cloud Shell itself. Then we also have to create a table using Cloud Console. Okay. So this entire task seems in the cloud. No. We have the use of navigation menu as well. So here we have been provisionized with our tools. Let's copy the password, autofill email, paste our password here, control V, next we go. We accept, then we accept the terms and conditions. Well, keep a track of your time. We have 44 minutes for this respective lab. Make sure you are quick enough to complete this lab within its time limit. Let's go up. Here we have cloud outlets. Let's activate our Cloud Shell, hide our navigation menu, continue, and then the basic settings for you guys so that you can see the font of the command line which I'm typing or copying from the lab's instruction page. So the font size would be set to large. This is decent enough. Then the cloud 3. So we authorize. Then the cloud config list project list projects. The cloud list projects. Yes, the command is wrong. The command is okay. G cloud config list project. Let's just control V. Here is our project. For check permissions in the cloud console, click IAM and admin. Let's go in the IAM section. IAM and admin. IAM. Confirm that the default compute service account with the project number compute engine default service platform is present and has editor role. Compute engine default service account has an editor account has been confirmed by Hero Dada. Is present and okay. Go back and which you can find we have done the account. If the account is not present, follow. Okay. The account is present, so we skip this step. Ensure that the Dataflow API is successfully enabled. To ensure the necessary API, restart the connection to the Dataflow API. In the Cloud Console, enter Dataflow API. Click on the result Dataflow API. In the Cloud Console, here we have search Dataflow API. Click on the Dataflow API. Then click Manage. Click on Disable. Where disable API? Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. Click Enable. When the API has been enabled, the page will show the option to disable. So the API right now is disabled. We will enable the Dataflow API. The API is now enabled. Getting back to the lab's instruction page. Just a minute. Okay, so getting back to the instruction page. Now our task is to create a cloud BigQuery dataset and a table using Cloud Shell. The command lines for it would be BQMK taxi rides. So the dataset name here is taxi rides. Let's reopen our Cloud Shell with BQMK taxi rides. Our dataset is getting created in the Cloud Shell. When our task of creating a BigQuery dataset is completed, now that your dataset is created, why didn't we get started? So our next task is creating a table in BigQuery dataset. So now you'll step following run to do so. Okay. Let's run the schema ID and partitioning field timestamp. Table has been created. Check our task. Created a BigQuery cloud in our cloud, and we created a table in our cloud. Now we have to create a storage bucket. Then let's create the bucket. Your unique name. So do we have to replace here something like your unique name with project ID or bucket name? Okay, I guess we have to replace it with our unique name. So we everything keep our project ID. I hope this works. We are going in the right direction. Let's check it out. Let's hope we don't. Okay, no, this is also wrong. Now that we have our table instantiated, let's create a bucket. Run the following commands to do so. The unique name. Here, I don't understand, but okay, fine. Let's try it again. Let's try it doing the other way. Private clouds to the following with common CS. So this is okay. So I will just make sure like what this is. Just wait for a minute. So I guess we have to just do with this. Like we used the bracket last time, less than and greater than sign, which we don't have to use. I guess means it is saying syntax error in our Cloud Shell, so that may be the syntax error of using the bracket. Control C. Let's just try the unique name. Use your project ID. Okay, so this run. There is no syntax error from this time. Then use gsuit. gsutil mvgs for bucket name. Okay. This command is getting created. Okay, command run. We did create a cloud storage bucket using the command lines in our cloud console. So create a BigQuery dataset and table using the cloud console. In the left hand menu, in the big data section, click on BigQuery and then click tab. So time to minimize our Cloud Shell BigQuery section. BigQuery. Okay, click on the big data section. Big data section. This is big table. We need a big data. Big data. So in the data set, in the BigQuery section, data set ID will be set to the taxi rides, and the data location would be default. And then we create our data set. Failed to create a data set already exists. Let's just create in the explore section, project, it already exists. Let's wait. We were in the right section of the BigQuery. Now where it went again, we have to search again for the BigQuery. Okay, BigQuery. This was our project. Yeah, we already have it. You should see taxi underneath. Here we have see taxis subset. Click on the three dots next to taxi rides data set and select open, then create table. So this task is about creating a table. Here we are, open. Where is create table? Here we have create a table. The input real time. Under the schema toggle, edit as ID schema should be this. Okay, here real time is already created. Edit as text. Go with Windows 3. This is page. And what is the instruction page says? Empty table. Destination is search for a project. Empty table, search for project, taxi rides. And the table type is native table. Schema is done and partitioning is set to none. Partitioning is set to none. Create table. We have created a table here. Like means this is already done. I was getting an instinct that we have already done this. Like we did it using the cloud shell, and now they are asking us to do the same from here, from the navigation menu, which we have done. Now I think we have created a bucket as well. Yeah, we did create a bucket, a project name. Then this task is remaining. Yeah, we didn't create a pipeline as of now. We didn't run the pipeline. So the navigation menu in the big data section, click on the data flow. Getting back to okay. So getting back to the navigation menu in the big data section. Here you are in the big data section. Click on the data flow. The data flow. We have to create a job from template. The job details are as follows. Like we have to enter IoT flow as the job name. Note this is a cloud data flow job. In the regional under the data flow template, select subtopic query template. Subtopic BigQuery. Then under input subtopic enter. Under subtopic enter this. Then for BigQuery output table, we have our project ID and taxi rides in real time. Our project ID. I'm actually feeling pretty thirsty right now. Like this is our third video for today. We completed 3 labs as of now, and I'm speaking continuously from 3 labs. Like it's moving 3 hours to 3.5 hours. Continue speaking and pushing my limits. Like it's crazy. Me speaking this much. Fine. So our temporary location we changed. Our instruction page is looking similar to our page, so we have to run a cloud job now. Cloud data flow job. The job would be successful. Job creation may take a while. Who cares? We just want the assessment. We have created the pipeline, and the pipeline is now running. It's taking time. View our API. The API is of Dataflow API. Let's refresh. Let's wait. Assessment is complete. We still have 25 minutes left for lab completion, and woohoo, we completed. So that's that then. For today's video, we are done. Let's end our video with a signature annotation, which is a big affirmative tick spreading positivity all around. That's that then for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.